package yesterday. I wanted to open it soon, but I couldn't get it. I didn't have an opportunity to open it yesterday because I want to do an unboxing video. So that's why I got the time only to do it today. So let's go ahead and open this, and here you go. I haven't even opened it yet. I ordered this from Kikki because I've been always wanting to get it, but because it was quite pricey back then, I did not want to buy it. So when I saw it was on sales for 50%, I thought, why not? Here you go. I got a brochure on how I can decorate using this planner, and they also have mentioned that thank you for your order for purchasing from Kikki. That's very nice of them. Okay, now this is the package. It is so pretty. I love it a lot. Focus on that. Also gave this thing. What's this? It says here okay, it says here, a comprehensive organizer for your work and personal life. It gives 7 refillable content sections, customizable divider tabs, and pockets and pen loop. So it'll be a nice addition as a bookmark. I love this a lot. Let's go ahead and open this. Whoa, look how nice it is. So I don't know what can I do this. So it's just basically a there's nothing in here. So let's have a look at the planner. Okay, we can take this out. Oops. Can't just pull it off. I have to pull this. There we go. Okay, they have given out 2 cards which says I'm unique. Also, filling your planner. To open your binder, press down ends to close, press rings together. So they are explaining how you should open it. When I had my file effects, I didn't know it until I actually saw one of my video when I watched YouTube. One of the YouTuber, My Purpley Life, she actually opened her file effects using this way. Then only I realized that what are these things for. If not, I would not have known at all. Anyway, so it says here that your Kikki planner is handmade with love because the planner is constructed by hand using leather and a cotton blend lines. It's best to avoid prolonged exposure to the elements and to simply keep clean by wiping with a damp cloth. So I have to keep it always clean by wiping it. Okay, anyway, so these are the slots that they say. Okay, there's one slot here, and there is this zip part. Okay, this, and okay, so they have a few stickers here. Let me focus that. Okay, personal projects, work, favorite, and more slots available here. And you also have follow-up, due date, remember, to do, to buy, action, read, top 3, top 5. Here I need to fill up my personal information. Okay, and these are the month calendars where they did not put any date or year. And you also have the tab for calendars, for meetings, to-dos, and the rest of it is empty, so it's up to me what I want to put that in. Okay, so we are done with calendars. Okay, now meetings, they also have some meeting notes, okay, where I need to write in my subjects, attendees, date, to and these are to-dos. Unfortunately, there are no boxes. If they did, that would be nice, but they didn't, so I have to put in my own boxes. I have a Studio L2 stance. Maybe I can use it to make it pretty. Okay, but they did give a decent amount of papers in here, so it's okay. And the rest Penelope. Okay, I can. This is my Lamy pen. It's too big. Oh, okay. Since it's elastic, it actually can go. It's not bad. Okay, so that means my ink pen can go through as well. So I like that. Okay, and so the last part is the okay, go. The Kikki. Okay, and if you see, this thing does get pushed back a bit. You see, so what I can do is, when I am closing, I need to pull this a bit. So now can you see all of it? It's aligned. Okay, this seems to be the same problem with my Filofax Finsbury. Okay, this is my Filofax Finsbury, and okay, now you can't see it's getting pushed over, but what I need to do is, when I open it, okay, I'm using, and then I'm closing it. So can you see the end part is stuck? Okay, which is kind of really annoys the crap out of me. So what I do is, I will pull this last page and pull, and then I close it. Okay, now the thing does not get pulled up so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna move my some of my Erin Condren to my Kikki. Okay, why? Because in my Filofax I have these, okay, my important notes, which is kind of shorter, so when I want to write, I can't do it. So that's why I'm going to move this to my Kikki. So once I'm done with that, I will show you guys. So let me fix that. Once I'm done with that, I will definitely show you guys how I did it. See what I'm telling you? It doesn't lock properly. So I'm done with that, and then I will tell you how to do it, how I managed to do it, and all that. So see you. Bye bye.